turn's always well painful, but I think people have gone on this tree now. Looks like a new way in. Oh, what was that? Is that gone? Branch in the rear end. We're up. All right. One of the biggest rock gardens in South Wales. The pedal's just caught there. There's always a rock on the left. I know you've got to kind of ride the ball a little bit. This one. There you go. Still wicked. Oh, skittish. Probably going into yonks. That's just one in it. It is tight, but he's there. Wow. It's a bit messier than last time I was here. Rocks everywhere. Oh, what's this rock all about? What's this? Oh, it's in the road, is it? I should have dropped off that. Little gappy there. Look at this one. Oh, this is Scary Mary, I think. The new way. Oh, maybe not. Looks like quite a direct route down. I'm assuming it's left. And this one. Oh, that's the first puddle I've seen all day. Whoa, tree down. Can't do much about that right now. Ah, remember this way. I used to do this years ago. So what's there this time? Oh, Yeah, I'm not hitting it too hard because I'm on my own. Barry Sidings is notoriously difficult. Ooh, it's not too bad. Strava line on the right there, I think. Am I going this way? Looks like it. Oh, maybe not. Who knows? Steep trails ahead. Yeah, this one's supremely steep. Awfully dangerous in the wet. Looks like it's a bit wet now. Get steep pretty quick there. I think it's around here somewhere. There's some fresh earth there. What is that? Is that a roller? Yeah, it is. Whoa, that was a steep bit there. Oh, sorry, I saw you there. You alright? Yeah, just I stopped. I was coming down quick.
No, it's fine.
Alright?
Yeah, all good, thank you.
Thanks for your hard labour.
Thank you.
There's a bit of a jump here, but I'm not fancying it. After bailing up to saw the man, fairly certain that's the local legend Franco loves to build trails. Oh. Looks like there's a bit of fresh earth here. Some people have been working hard. Oh, that's been jumped up, hasn't it? Should have been a drop there for me. Oh, a bit of moisture there. Did not expect that. There we go. So, is that a drop there? Because I can't see. I'm going to go round just in case, because I don't know what's there. That looks new with that bit of wood. That's what we got. Oh, that's not bad. Drop that. Am I going back up? Oh, this looks a bit messy. Oh, something's happening there. Whoa, new wood. That's some old. Fair play to whoever's just fixed that. I'm fairly sure it's Mr. Growcott. Oh, I don't know. But it's clearly a good egg. Lovely stuff. bit's always horrible for anyone approaching. Just a massive steep chute. There's a nice catch stream at the bottom now. Oh, that's still mega tasty. Whoa, what was that? The back end. Something tasty. Branches in the shin. Definitely just taking a wrong turn in some way. This looks like a forgotten trail. Joining a real one. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Very tech, if I remember. Very well remembered. I don't fancy that. There's a roller. Or that. These are